Four Boys Garage back here. Today we're messing with the IPR from a 2003 6-liter diesel Ford, and we just wanted to show a quick way to test this thing that we think is a little bit faster than everybody else who has been making up air hoses and fittings and stuff. Silly. This side is the one we're hooking up the positive to. So if you can get your orientation here. This side, left of screen, left side facing you, is positive. So, all right, in this case, we're just going to use the ground side of, or at least what we're grounding. We've heard that these are no polarity, but we've tried to pay attention to how people have theirs hooked up when they have these hoses and everything on there. We popped our screen off just to take a look inside, make sure there was nothing in it before we're doing this. It also makes it easier to do what we're doing after you've inspected this. But anyway, all we're gonna do is use the tip of the blowgun. With enough pressure, it seals pretty well. So I'll just put some air on here. You can hear the air. You can hear the air. Apply 12 volts. Close. So we got the screen back on, and this is the old style screen, but we have a known good IPR. We're gonna plug this back in for testing purposes. We had to get a new pigtail for ours. The old pigtail totally broke apart, and these things get hot, they fail, they sell these pigtails. We'll put a link in the description.